Helpful tips about how to make money online that are simple to follow. Have you been looking for a way to increase your income? If so, then working online could be the solution you have been seeking. Here are some great ideas to help you figure out your next step. Read through them and decide for yourself how you want to make money online. Make yourself a daily schedule. Making money online is related to your perseverance in doing what you are doing on a regular basis. You won't make a ton in a short time. You have to stay diligent on it every day. Schedule each of your work days. Just an hour each day can add up over time. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. One great way to make money online is to write. If you have the talent and ability to write well with few or no grammatical and spelling errors, many people will want your services. Writing jobs can be anything from rewriting badly written information to writing all new, original information and more. You can also make money by writing your own content for a blog or video directory by making good use of keywords and opening an account with Google AdSense. This video was filled with some great suggestions. It is up to you to decide which ones will work best for you. So, bookmark this page. That way, you can keep coming back to it as you choose. You could end up with several profitable online ventures that will keep you busy. Student loan.